Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in with Art of Beauty. Today I'm washing my makeup brushes and sponges, so I thought I'll show you guys how I wash my makeup brush and sponges. So if you want to see how I cleaned up, keep watching. I started off by putting all the sponges and brushes that I want to wash into this bin right here. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do next is I'm going to pour some water into this bucket. If you want, you can actually warm up water and then put it in the bucket, but what I do is I just use the sink hot water. If the water is a little bit hotter, like if you actually boil it, let it cool down a little bit. Don't just throw it in there, especially if you have like synthetic brushes, like it's gonna mess it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and add water to it and I'll show you guys how it looks. As you can see, I didn't add nothing yet and you can already see like some of the makeup coming off. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add some shampoo to this. I'm going to use this Dove shampoo. So I'm just gonna put maybe like 2 or 3. Or 4, and I'm going to just mix that in. After I mix all that up, I'm going to actually start picking up the brushes and the sponges one at a time and actually like hand washing, I guess you would say. I got this bucket from Dollar Tree. I got 2 of them for like $1 or 2. So I'm gonna be using this to place the ones that I have cleaned. I always do my sponges first because I feel like they're easier to clean. And also, like, all of them are not gonna get as clean as you want them to, so you can repeat the process as many times as you want. Ideally, you should wash your brush at least once a month. I personally don't even do that. I try to. I don't always come around to it, so when I do wash it, I try to wash them out as much as I can. That's why it won't come off all the way, because there's just so many layers. Like, look at this. You see that? Me personally, I use my other hand and I literally just wash them out like this, and I just go in circular motions. So these are going to be a little bit more challenging to clean because they're smaller. So what I do is I use my nails, or like my finger, I guess you would say, and just run through them like this after each dip. Look at all that makeup. Ew. So after the first wash, this is how the water is looking. This is how the brushes and the sponges are looking after the first wash. Okay, so all I did was I added some warm water and like 3 pumps of that same Dove shampoo. All I'm gonna do is just mix the shampoo in, and I'm gonna drop all my makeup brushes and sponges back in there. Same thing as before, I'm gonna start with the sponges. see how like now you can see the foam from the shampoo? That's because most of these are clean, so soap is just chilling. Look at this. Y'all saw how I was looking at first. Now it's all clean. This one still has some black eyeliner on it, so I'm going to use a paper towel to wipe it off first. And this is after the first wash, so maybe I should have did this first, but compared to the first wash, this water is not dirty. What I'm gonna do next is rinse the brushes out. So I'm gonna dump this water out and add clean warm water to this, and I'll be right back. So now I'm gonna do the same thing, which is just dump all of the makeup brushes and sponges in there. To rinse them out, all I do is the same thing I did when I washed them, except now I'm literally just gonna swirl them around in the water and then just squeeze the water out. All I'm doing is just laying all my makeup brushes out. Yeah, that's literally it. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you have any tips or comments, don't forget to leave them in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.